In today's video, we're taking a close look at the Playful Rewards app. Is it actually legit, or is it just another rewards app scam? I'll break down how it works, what real users are seeing, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. What is Playful Rewards? Playful Rewards is a get paid to app. It claims you can earn cash, PayPal money, gift cards, and other rewards by doing simple tasks like playing mobile games, completing surveys, signing up for offers like SpendX or GetX. The concept itself isn't new, and many apps use the same model. Does it actually pay? Here's what things get interesting. Some users online, especially on Reddit, report that they have received small payouts successfully. The app is also available on major app stores, has plenty of ratings, and some users say their withdrawals went through, particularly for low amounts. These signs suggest that the app isn't completely fake. Major complaints and red flags. However, this is where the serious concerns come in. A large number of users report a very similar pattern. As soon as their rewards start getting bigger, their accounts suddenly get flagged or things like fraud or suspicious activity. Accounts get locked, reset, or rewards disappear. Users are blocked from crashing out entirely. On top of that, many people complain about games or offers disappearing mid task, tracking failures even with all permissions enabled, tasks not crediting correctly. Customer support is often described as slow or unhelpful, especially when larger amounts of money are involved. Common pattern to notice. A recurring theme is that playful rewards works fine for small rewards, but once you try to withdraw more money, problems start appearing. Some users even say their points were wiped or their accounts vanished altogether. Final verdict. Is playful rewards a scam? In my opinion, it is not a total scam. It does seem to pay small rewards to some users, and the business model itself is common in the rewards app space. That said, it is high risk, especially if you are aiming for big payouts. If you try it, do not expect reliable long term earnings, and never rely on it for serious income. And in my opinion, do not use it at all. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.